We're going to be talking about another survey site today. Completing surveys is an excellent way to, earn an extra buck. And while it won't replace your day-to-day job anytime soon, it can go a long way towards helping out with that occasional bill or surprise expense that might come your way. If you're looking for a reliable, legitimate way to do surveys online and get cash from it, Survey Junkie is one you've probably heard of before, but can you actually make money from it? Let's find out. Hey guys, welcome back to The Modest Wallet, where we try to make money simple. If you're new here, thanks so much for checking this video out. My goal today is to provide you enough value about Survey Junkie that you will go ahead and hit that like button for this video, and maybe you'll even want to join the community and subscribe. Enough about that though, let's get into it. Survey Junkie is an online market research site, and it was founded in 2011. By partnering with existing corporations, the site actually uses consumer surveys to provide paying companies with the data and analytics they need to make major marketing decisions. Users like yourself and myself can sign up to complete survey offers in exchange for points. Once you have enough, you can then exchange those points for cash or e-gift cards, depending on your preference. Survey Junkie is a great site for those that tend to not be maybe trustworthy of survey completion platforms, as Survey Junkie has over a decade-long history and has been accredited by the Better Business Bureau since 2017. How does it work? Survey Junkie is able to provide you with paid surveys by sharing a portion of the profits they receive from their work. Now, they do this by providing you with a pre-specified number of points per survey completion, which you can then cash in for real money or gift cards to places such as, Amazon or Walmart. Currently, Survey Junkie lists on their website that you must be 16 years of age and live in either the United States, Canada, or Australia. Also, if you'd like to withdraw cash instead of gift cards, you must have a valid bank account or PayPal account for the deposit. Survey Junkie does not offer to mail out checks. Now, continuing with how it works, you just need to go to the Survey Junkie website. I'll be sure to leave a link to their site in the description below. And then once you get there, just click join now and then create an account. You'll be asked to complete your profile, in which you will earn a few points towards making some extra cash or earning those gift cards. Once you've done that, start taking surveys, which in return will allow you to start accumulating points that you can eventually redeem. Before I take you inside Survey Junkie's platform, or actually their website, let's talk about a few of their key features and a variety of ways that you can actually earn points towards cash and those gift cards. The first feature are the ways that you can actually earn money. And so you can do that by paid surveys, phone surveys, you can test products, and you can also participate in in-person focus groups. Another feature is their minimum payout. It's 500 points, which 500 points equals $5. And then another feature is their payment options. They allow bank transfer, PayPal cash, or gift cards. When it comes to payment processing time, you must allow 1 to 5 business days, and this can also depend on the payment option that you choose. On average, the payout per survey comes out to about 50 cents to $3. They receive a B rating from the Better Business Bureau. Then the platforms or way that you can access Survey Junkie are through the web, also through Android and iOS. There's a lot of flexibility there when you want to use the site. And from what we can tell, the support allows you to contact them and also utilize their help center. Before I talk about it anymore, I wanted to just kind of give you an inside look at what Survey Junkie looks like. So let's sign up and let's take a look inside and see what it looks like. All right, so we are going to log in. I'm going to just go ahead and paste it. The link, obviously, as I said, but we will have it in the description so you can easily do this as well. I'm going to join now. Not a robot. Enter my email address. So it's going to ask me a couple questions, which I'll just go through. So, congratulations, you just signed up. So as we said, it will go ahead and give us some points for completing our profile. And now I'm going to go through, you don't have to do this, but there are 17 things that you can fill out to fill out this whole process. There's obviously some interesting questions, but they need to get information so they can send you the correct surveys. They're going to meet your needs and they're going to be helpful for them as well. So there we did it. It did take me probably about 2 or 3 minutes to go ahead and answer those questions. It's not very long, and I earned that 50 points that they mentioned. So here's where they're going to ask me if I want to maximize the rewards by adding the Pulse app. And it's just another feature for you to be able to also make some more points, obviously, towards a gift card. So right now I'm not going to do that, but that is an option for you if that's something that you want to do. As you can see, I've earned 75 points over here on the left side just for signing up, which is equal to 75 cents. Obviously not a lot, but not bad. If I would add that extension that they wanted me to do, I'd get another 100 points. If I add the desktop app, another 100 points. So you can see how the points add up, and I'd be up over $2.50. So you can just kind of see the other options for that. And then right now, here are, based on the information that I gave them, here are 3 surveys that I could take. And you can see it's going to take me 15 minutes to complete one for 40 points. It's going to take me 19 minutes to earn one for 20 points, and it's going to take me 14 minutes to earn another 25 points. And obviously those are just rough estimates, but you can kind of see that's how many surveys I can take at the moment. So I'm not going to be making a ton of money, but I'd be up over what, $3 or $4 within a short amount of time. And since I'm not recording this video well into the future, I don't know how often they're going to send me those surveys, but I'm assuming that they're going to come a week to make that extra money. So I went into the settings section and I found that if I complete this technology profile, this shopping profile, health profile, household profile, interest profile, and travel profile, I'm also going to earn, 60 more points, which equals 60 cents. And remember, we're trying to get to that $5 minimum because that's whenever we can actually cash out on it. And I'd be pretty close after that if I completed those surveys and I completed these profiles. So we're back on the main page, and as you can see, if you are interested in signing up, this site is very basic in my opinion. There's not many buttons, there's not many, things to get confused on. So if you're worried about that, you're not sure what you're going to do, I would say Survey Junkie's very basic and to the point, and there's not going to be like all these options and different things to choose from. So if you're someone who's looking for something simple, then Survey Junkie, in my opinion, is a great site for you. The surveys button, there's a help button, and that's pretty much it. So hopefully seeing inside of the site was helpful to you, and kind of gave you some insight and helped you feel comfortable in being able to sign up and also complete those surveys and get it all set up. Now, I hope I was able to give you a somewhat brief experience of what Survey Junkie looks like from the inside. As we reviewed the Survey Junkie website, the pros of the service are that it's completely free to join, which is great. There's a $5 minimum cash out. There are multiple surveys available. And then when it comes to the cons, first, it's definitely not going to make you rich. You're not going to be able to quit your job and just do this for a living. The con that we found out is that the payment process is rather slow. When it comes to who we think Survey Junkie is best for, we would say it is best for side hustlers, those who want to earn money with online surveys, and those looking to, earn money in any extra free time that they may have. If you think Survey Junkie is something that you want to check out yourself, you can easily sign up with our link in the description below. If you have any questions or want us to explore any other parts of the site, then please drop your comment or question below, and I'll definitely do my best to respond. If this video provides you with some positive value, do us a favor and go ahead and like it, save it, share it with others, and I will see you in the next video.